Ever dreamt of a place where ancient myths whisper on the wind? Where every shade of green imaginable blankets, rolling hills, and where the welcome is as warm as a peat fire on a rainy day? Well, pack your bags, because we're heading to the Emerald Isle. Today, we're exploring why Ireland isn't just a travel destination. It's an experience that captures your heart and stays with you forever. From its jaw-dropping landscapes to its soul-stirring culture, get ready to discover why Ireland should be at the very top of your travel bucket list. Let's start with the scenery. Seriously, it's like stepping into a real-life fantasy novel. Imagine driving along the wild Atlantic Way, one of the world's longest and most spectacular coastal routes. You've got the raw power of the Atlantic Ocean on one side, with waves crashing against dramatic cliffs, and on the other, a patchwork of green fields dotted with grazing sheep. It's over 2,500 kilometers of pure, untamed beauty. And you can't talk about Irish landscapes without mentioning the cliffs of Moher standing there. With the sea spray on your face, watching the sheer cliffs plunge into the churning ocean below is a moment of pure awe. It's humbling, powerful, and utterly unforgettable. But the beauty doesn't stop there. Journey inland to the Wicklow Mountains, known as the Garden of Ireland, just south of Dublin. Here you'll find serene glacial lakes like Glendalough, nestled in a valley with ancient monastic ruins. It feels sacred, a place where time has stood still. Then there's the otherworldly landscape of the Burren in County Clare. It's a vast, lunar-like limestone plateau, where rare Arctic and Mediterranean flowers grow side by side in the cracks. It's a geological wonder that proves Ireland's beauty is as diverse as it is enchanting. And for those who love a good road trip, the Ring of Kerry offers a stunning 179-kilometer circular route through County Kerry. Every turn reveals a new postcard-perfect view, from sandy beaches and charming villages to panoramic mountain passes. But Ireland is so much more than its landscapes. It's a country steeped in history and myth. You can feel the echoes of the past everywhere you go. Explore the prehistoric passage tomb of Newgrange, which is older than Stonehenge, and the pyramids of Giza. On the winter solstice, a narrow beam of sunlight illuminates the entire inner chamber, a feat of ancient engineering that still baffles experts today. Or wander through the ruins of Celtic monasteries like Clonmacnoise on the banks of the River Shannon. Picture monks meticulously illustrating manuscripts like the Book of Kells centuries ago. You can even see the real Book of Kells, a masterpiece of medieval art, at Trinity College in Dublin. It's a direct link to a time of saints and scholars. And castles. Ireland has over 30,000 castles and castle ruins. You can kiss the Blarney Stone at Blarney Castle for the gift of the gab, or explore the mighty Rock of Cashel, the traditional seat of the Kings of Munster. Each stone tells a story of battles, royalty, and legends. Now, let's talk about the heart and soul of Ireland, its people and its culture. The Irish are famous for their hospitality and their craic, that uniquely Irish blend of fun, conversation, and good times. The best place to experience this is in a traditional Irish pub. It's not just a place to drink, it's the community's living room. Walk into almost any pub in towns like Dingle or Galway, and you'll likely find a trad session in full swing. Musicians gather informally, playing fiddles, tin whistles, and bodhrans, filling the air with infectious foot-stomping music. There's nothing quite like sipping a pint of Guinness, perfectly poured, while listening to tunes that have been passed down through generations. And don't be shy. Strike up a conversation with the person next to you. You'll likely leave with a new friend and a story to tell. This vibrant culture extends to the cities too. Dublin is a whirlwind of energy. You can walk in the footsteps of literary giants like James Joyce and Oscar Wilde. Explore the historic Dublin Castle and enjoy the lively atmosphere of the Temple Bar district. It's a city that perfectly balances its rich history with a modern cosmopolitan vibe. Then you have cities like Galway, the cultural heart of the West Coast, known for its bohemian spirit, colorful streets, and incredible festivals. Or Cork, a foodie paradise with its famous English market, offering the best of local Irish produce. And we can't forget the food. Irish cuisine has undergone a revolution. It's all about fresh, local ingredients. Think world-class seafood straight from the Atlantic, like succulent oysters and fresh salmon. Imagine tucking into a hearty bowl of Irish stew made with tender local lamb, or enjoying warm, crusty soda bread slathered with creamy Irish butter. From cozy pub grub to Michelin-starred restaurants, Ireland's food scene will delight your taste buds. For adventure seekers, Ireland is a giant playground. You can surf the waves in Bundoran, often called the surf capital of Ireland. You can kayak on serene lakes or wild coastlines, getting up close with seals and seabirds. Hike to the top of Croagh Patrick in County Mayo, a pilgrimage site with breathtaking views over Clew Bay. or go cycling through the stunning Killarney National Park, home to Ireland's native red deer. Whatever your passion, Ireland offers an adventure to match. And maybe, just maybe, you'll even have a brush with the magical. The island is famous for its folklore of fairies and leprechauns. While you might not find a pot of gold, you will find a certain magic in the air. It's in the mist that hangs over a quiet loch at dawn, in the ancient stones of a dolmen, and in the warmth of a stranger's smile. It's a feeling that connects you to the land and its ancient stories. So, from the epic cliffs of the Atlantic coast to the cozy warmth of a traditional pub, Ireland offers a journey for the senses and the soul. It's a place of breathtaking beauty, profound history, and unbeatable hospitality. It's a country that invites you to slow down, to breathe in the fresh sea air, and to simply be present. It's a small island with a gigantic heart, and it's waiting to share its magic with you. It's not just a trip, it's an experience that changes you. Thank you so much for joining me on this virtual tour of the incredible Emerald Isle. If you've been to Ireland, I'd love to hear about your favorite spot in the comments below. And if you're now dreaming of your own Irish adventure, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration. See you on the next journey.